Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Dell Pro 5 webcam. This is a 2K camera, is Zoom and Team certified, compatible with Windows 11, Mac OS. We do have our Dell Peripheral and Display Manager, AI powered, has an anti-theft device, and will work with all UC platforms. USB-A, USB-C. Let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Now this would be the follow-on for the WB523 if you have seen it. Oh man, check out how sleek that is. Camera shutter, quick release, tripod mount right there. Love it. Works with USB Type-C or Type-A. Pretty slick. It's got a security loop. And then let's check out the stand. Let's put this down. So go on the monitor. And then, oh, look at that. Quick release. Be able to adjust it. Pretty slick. Your little security cable. It's pretty sweet. So you can actually use this on your K-Lock. Let's jump in to set it up and give it a test. This is a quick test of the WB526. I am coming to you audio through the webcam over here, and then from a visual, WB526. So just a quick call out, this is the new version of the Dell Display and Peripheral Manager, version 2.3.0.9. We're going to go ahead and update it so that the webcams do get registered at the OS level. And we'll be able to check out the options, the settings, and whatnot. Stay tuned. So we got the Dell Display and Peripheral Manager updated. We've got it plugged in here. Let's go ahead and check out some of the settings. So some of the enhancements, document view, object focus. Let's click finish and test this out. So I've got another application that's using the camera that's anticipated given my setup here. Let's take a look at camera control, auto framing, camera transition, tracking, field of view, zoom, autofocus, For using Windows Hello, you can prioritize the external webcam. So if you wanted to have that be the webcam that you leverage to log in, you're able to do that there. Color and image settings, so Smart Enhance, automatically enhance your image based on environment, HDR, white balance. And now it's going to be working. I can do some turned on, document view. So you can do a document capture, object focus. I want to turn that on. So now if I open my palm, it should be able to zoom in on the object that I bring up on screen. And the resolution, this is a 2K QHD webcam, so 2K QHD, frames per second. And that's that. That's the quick little WB526. Let's get into some of the testing. So we'll be doing a test of gesture control. I do need the latest version of Dell Display and Peripheral Manager installed. That would be version 2.3.0.9 as of today's date, time of recording. You would toggle on the gesture control, and then you'd be able to use your hand to do some gestures, and then the camera will zoom in to the item that you're trying to showcase on camera. So let's test it out. Oh, it's already picked it up. And now zooming in. It's pretty slick. There you go. Pretty slick. So we're just going to do a quick document view test. Changing the location. Pretty sweet. So now it knows that my document outline is here, and it's able to provide that to the viewers on camera. So with that, hope you enjoyed the unboxing and overview of the WB526. This is the Dell Pro 5 webcam, 2K resolution. Take care.